Welcome. In this quick video, we'll show you how to use Immunization Connect, also known as ICON, your secure way to submit and access immunization records online. You will need an Ontario health card and an email address. If you do not have a health card and this is your first time logging into ICON, please call Public Health to set up your account. Everyone can access ICON for themselves, but you can only access ICON for a dependent if they are under 16 years of age. Start by heading to the ICON portal. You can get there by scanning the QR code provided, using a direct link, or visiting our website. Click the Get Started button to begin. Next, choose whether you're on a personal or public device, review the acceptable use policy, and click I accept to proceed. Now, let's verify your identity. Verify patient with health card number or with immunization ID by clicking on the appropriate gray box. Most people won't know their immunization ID unless they've received it from Public Health on an immunization notice. Enter your Ontario health card number or your Ontario immunization ID, plus your name and date of birth. The information you enter must match what is linked to your health card. For example, if you have recently moved and you haven't updated your health card, you may need to enter a previous postal code. If this is your first time using ICON, you'll be asked to set up a 6-digit PIN. Already have one? Just enter it and you're in. Once you're logged in, follow the prompts. Click Submit Immunizations to report any missing vaccines. If you see the message, No Record Found, click OK and you'll be redirected to update your information. Type in the date and name of the vaccine. Upload a photo or scanned copy of your immunization record if you have one. Seeing an error? It might be due to a missing health card number or a simple typo. If you need help, contact us. We're happy to help. After submitting, you'll get a reference number and even a PDF copy of what you submitted. Handy for your records. And that's it. Submitting your immunizations through ICON is simple and secure.